So over here, you can see that I have this particular video and audio right here. And if I were to go ahead and press the play button, it goes to upper resolution. So you can see that this is the audio, the video, and subtitle right here. If you want to go ahead and change the synchronization of these things, then you can actually go around over here onto tools and then go around onto track synchronization. So sometimes the audio may be delayed, or you might hear out it earlier, or you might see the subtitle later on. In that case, you can simply go ahead and change the timing. Let's say, for example, let me just go ahead and delay the subtitle by 2 seconds and delay the audio by 10 seconds to see how that actually looks. You can change the subtitle speed right here as well, just like this, and change the subtitle duration as you want as well. Let me just go ahead and keep it 1 second right here, close it, and press the play button now. Use the resolution limit. So now it actually goes ahead and changes up the synchronization of the audio. So it isn't right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn it back to normal. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say 1 second and 1 second delay right here, just like this. Resolution and scaling is an option. So the resolution limit is, and this is how you can actually go ahead and change around the synchronization as you want as well. You can even go ahead right here, just like this, and go for minus values as you want as well for both subtitle and video right here. In my case, this video is okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it as it is. But if the synchronization is off, you can simply go ahead and utilize this option inside of Handbrake to go ahead and then change around the synchronization for the video as you want. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.